welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and how are you guys doing? Today, instead of doing a makeup tutorial video, I thought it would be fun to clean up my mess over here. Let me show you what it is like. Okay, so hi, this is my room. I'm standing here right at the corner of my room. So what you see over here is 3 shelves that stores my stuff, as well as one of these IKEA trolley thingy. So all these are like pretty much the stuff that I use every day that's not my clothing. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's kind of a mess. We're not going to be tackling everything in the shelves today, but I want to focus on clearing this mess over here. Here on this first layer of the trolley, we have a lot of my makeup inside, and this is like a whole makeup bag filled to the brim with like the makeup that I use almost every day. I just sort of got so lazy with the whole like cleaning up process that I just kind of gave up trying to reorganize this every time I use my makeup. So this is the result of being lazy for like good 3 or 4 months or so, maybe 2 months. I mean, I use makeup a lot, so you know. And then we have the second level, which is also lots of makeup, and this is also a mess. As you can see, I have some of my new palettes here with some weird ass boxes and trays of lashes that I really don't want anymore, but I haven't gotten around to throwing it out. And this bottom layer is like filled with like my tote bags and spare makeup bags, my curlers and flat like hair straighteners, my laptop bags. This is like a more overall view of my whole thing, so I can sort of explain things to you a little better. So basically that was the thing that I went through. And then this is my eyeshadow cubby, eyeshadow brushes and lipstick cubby. So if you guys watch my videos, you would kind of recognize that this is often like the background that I use to film in, because I kind of really like sitting in this section over here, which is like my comfortable, comfy corner of the room. I really like sitting in this little corridor over here beside my bed. I'm sitting on my bed right now. I am very, very aware that this area over here, as well as everything over here, is kind of an eyesore. So I kind of just wanted to take this opportunity to not only clean up that mess and this mess, I also kind of want to rearrange a little bit and kind of resituate everything from here to here and there to here. And let's see how we do with that. I don't know if you can see because it's a little dark, but other than my empty notebooks and scrapbooking stuff, there's also like pencils and erasers and sunglasses that I don't really use, so it's like collecting dust over there, some paper clips and extra stationery things. What I want to do now is to pile all my makeup together on the floor and kind of sort it out again because it's all in a mess. I also want to wipe this down a little because it's definitely very dusty and very dirty. I'm gonna take everything out from this cubicle as well so that we have space to maneuver. And I'm just gonna leave this cubby hole here for now, just in case I still need it, but ideally I want to move everything over to the side. So with that, let's just get started. The sun is setting very soon, so we're gonna have to do this really fast.
I'm worried about the way I've been living. I'm worried that you'll look at me different. I'm worried that this will all change. I'm worried about keeping you safe. I'm worried that I'm not that lucky. I'm worried that they never gon' love me. I'm worried that I'll be a fucking joke. I'm worried that
Okay, so these are all the makeup that I have in the trolley, the 2 levels of my trolley. Some of these things are still quite well organized, but just in case some of these things are like out of place, I'm gonna just put them back in and we'll see how it goes. We'll just fast forward this part so you can just see my makeup while I work.
Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep. Why you always in a hurry? You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep. Why you always in a hurry? You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. I'm worried about my father's health. I'm worried about being by myself. I'm worried I ain't doing too well. I'm worried, but I did it to myself, yeah. I'm worried that you don't need me. I'm worried that you'll go and leave me. I'm worried that it won't work out, yeah. I'm worried that I'll never make it out, yeah. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep, why you always in a hurry? You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. Don't worry, baby, don't worry.
So this is my organization so far. I kind of just separated things into their categories. I have a lot of my minis here in this box. My foundations are here. I have this whole tray full of liquid eyeliners and mascaras and some brow products over here. My pencil liners, both for eyes and lips, are here. Some of my concealers that are in a tube are here. This is my RMS stash. Actually, they're all like different products, so maybe I should just separate them instead. So these are my concealers. This is an eye polish, which is like a single cream shadow. I'll put them over here with all of my smaller palettes, which means that these two palettes are supposed to be with them. Like my Natasha Denona and my Fenty new ones are supposed to be here. These are like all my pigments, like the ColourPop pigments and the ColourPop Super Shock shadows. All my powders and creams in terms of like highlighters, bronzers. Blushes are all here. These are like some of my powders. I have some samples over here. I'm just gonna put them together. I don't use powder that often, so it's alright. I'm gonna have to wash this over here. And I'll also have to find a space to keep these. This is my brush tree, so when I wash my brushes, this is like a contraption that allows me to stand this on to the brush. And this is a really cheap brush that kind of broke from its handle. I just kind of keep it here to use it whenever. And over here beyond the frame, we have some like unwanted stuff. So my packaging for the Becca Light Shifter concealer that I haven't thrown away. Some lashes that, no, this one I want. This one I have to put it back to where my lashes are kept. I'm gonna throw this one away. This one is from like a, I don't think the brand exists anymore. I used to work with them. This is the Bambi lashes, Ethnicity lashes. And I kind of did a little bit of declutter. These two ColourPop BFF mascaras are like, they're so dry. They don't even deposit anything on my lashes anymore. I don't know why I keep them. And you can't even see the packaging anymore. The packaging is supposed to be something like this. This is the coral shade over here. If you can see, they're like writing on it and like some cute little icons. This one has none anymore. They are just like so done. I'm also now gonna go get my lipstick basket over to kind of sort this into the basket as well. And I'm also going to put this back with all the other palettes that I own. In this basket over here, before I put everything back, I want to kind of just arrange this mess over here. As you can see, I kind of just ignored it after a while. Everything's supposed to be standing, so let's just go ahead and do that.
It won't work out, yeah. I'm worried that I'll never make it out, yeah. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep, why you always in a hurry? You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep, why you always in a hurry? You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early.
Okay, so I'm done with this. I kind of just make sure that everything's like visible, and I turned most of the lipsticks upside down, as you can see, so that I can see either the name of the colors or the color of the color. The color of the lip color. You get what I mean. I just kind of store it in a way where it's easily recognizable to me. Yeah. So there might be a need at some point to declutter this, because there are a couple of items here that I don't really use and I think that they are probably like expired, but I'm gonna leave that for another video. Right now I'm just kind of want to put everything back where they should be and make things better for myself.
Yeah, I've been waiting to tell you how much I miss the way you turn me on. Yeah, oh, it's been playing on my mind and my emotions now for far too long. Yeah, Said we shouldn't go there, it's time to move on. Let's do this again, babe, prove him wrong. I know I tend to overcomplicate, but this time I know we belong. Yeah, I feel the temptation's taking over my body. You know you're my one and only. Just couldn't wait for you to call me. Life without you could just ain't enough. So won't you just love me like you used to love me? Or won't you just touch me like you used to touch me? No more biting on my tongue, I'll get it off my chest. It's easy on my lungs as they decompose. So won't you just love me like you used to love me? Love me.
Okay, so this is how I've managed to get everything in order. Obviously this won't be able to fit into this. I was actually thinking of getting like some stackable drawers and stuff, maybe from Muji or something, so that I can actually make use of this empty space on top. But for now, I'm someone who likes to go and see the things that I want to buy, so in this quarantine I won't be able to do anything about that. So for the meantime, this is how it's going to be, but I'm pretty happy with how it is. It looks pretty neat. I don't really like to stand my products like that, although it kind of saves lots of space because I can't see what's what, but I guess I'll be able to find them since my collection's not super big. As you saw, I kind of had to shove this two into this basket, but a good thing is I kind of have some more space inside here, so it's actually doable. I had to just leave my powder here. Thankfully for our peach, he's like hanging just there. I mean, there's a general sort of system to this. I had to leave this two here because there's not enough space, but these are like a coral and a red mascara anyway, so it kind of fits with the lipstick pile. This will be my smaller eyeshadows, single eyeshadows, pigments, eyebrows, pencil liners, my concealers and mascaras, all of my tiny stuff, my mini mascara, some of my lipsticks and lip glosses, some smaller concealers that will get lost in this big thing over here will be here, my contour stick, my lip balms, some more lipsticks. There was like this little hole over here because I couldn't fit it anywhere else, so I kind of put my liquid liners here. Pro tip, no matter what you do, when you have a liquid liner, try to store them horizontally if you can, because if not it dries out very fast and the ink will come out quite irregularly. So that's that. And this is all my face products, all my primers, my powder apparently, my cushion foundations, my foundations will all be in this little basket over here as usual. This is as far as I can manage for now in terms of how I organize my makeup, but it's pretty cool because like I kind of whittled down two little shelves from that trolley into one big shelf over here. Alright, so right now it's time to have these two columns filled with my things that used to occupy that space over there.
So won't you just love me like you used to love me, love me.
Trolley right now. As you saw, I kind of just dumped the whole box into this compartment over here, and I kind of just put some of the taller things that couldn't fit underneath into this hole over here. And then underneath we have like a lot of our, I don't know if you can see because it's kind of okay, now I can see. This is all I have over here, which is kind of dismal right now, but I actually have some stuff at my desk over here which I am thinking of moving over here. But I'm gonna do that in my own free time because it doesn't really matter. Like, I'm not exactly happy about this situation right here, but I'm happy about the fact that I created space. And I'm definitely really happy about the way I did this. I actually find this grey tone baskets very officey and an eyesore in terms of aesthetics. So when I get a chance to replace this with nicer things, I will. But for now, this will do. Alright, so now that I really think about it, this is actually really good because I kind of cleared my lipstick stash, which used to be here and now it's here. So I kind of moved like a third of this cubicle to this area. So it's kind of really well done now, I feel. Okay, so with this, we are done with my cleanup, my tidy up of this shelf area. I'm really very happy about this, like I said a million times, but ta-da! We have a new background, a refreshed and more updated background. Like I said, I'm not really done with this entire area yet, so I might make this into a series. So if you guys are interested, do let me know down below in the comments so that I know that making these are something that you want to watch. I think I might still make this for like certain areas of my shelves, but I'm not sure if you guys want to see it, so let me know if you do. You can also give me a thumbs up if you don't want to type anything in the comment section down below. Invisalign is super hard to talk. But anyways, thank you so much if you watched all the way to the end. I really appreciate that. And if you enjoyed this, or if you want me to do more, or both, give me a thumbs up to this video. Don't forget, and also consider subscribing to my channel down below so that you can catch more of my content. My Invisalign is so bad. And yeah, even though today's video is not really like a tutorial or anything, I actually do a lot of tutorials, especially on Instagram, and I also post a lot of like makeup content there as well, so be sure to go there and check me out. My handle is ChermCCW. And with that, thank you so much once again for watching all the way to the end of my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!